Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to turn on or off graphics acceleration in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then you have to scroll down all the way down. Make sure you go to settings. It's going to take you right here, and the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on system, and to take you right here. Under use graphics acceleration when available, make sure this button here is turned on. This simply means that you have assigned a dedicated graphics card to this particular browser. Most especially if you play game a lot on your Chrome browser, make sure you enable this. And if you want to turn it off, simply turn this off, and you have to relaunch your Chrome browser. Once you relaunch your Chrome browser, it will take effect immediately you turn it off. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn on or off your graphics card acceleration in your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.